Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor of your TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus isn't recognizing your fingerprint properly. So the main reason behind this kind of issue is most oftenly the screen protector that you're using. Some of the screen protectors are not compatible with the fingerprint readers, and therefore I highly recommend replacing your screen protector with an original one in case nothing in this video works for you. But let's start from the beginning. Swipe down your control center, tap the gear icon, scroll down to password and security, then go to your fingerprint, enter your pattern, select your previously enrolled fingerprints and delete them. Now, grab a piece of a microfiber cloth. If you don't have it around, use your cotton t-shirt to wipe the surface of your device's display so that we have no stains on it that could interfere with fingerprint enrollment. Okay. Now, unlock your device. Tap Add Fingerprint, tap Next. And now we have to place our finger on this icon until the pattern on our screen is filled. And then lift our finger and repeat this process until the entire fingerprint icon is filled. Then we're gonna have to add the edges. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, we're gonna have to now use the edges of our fingertip and do the same thing with them. Try to use as much of your fingertip as possible. Okay, then tap Finish. Now, before we proceed, let's go back to Settings. Let's scroll down to System. Let's open System Update and make sure that we have all the security updates installed by checking for online update. And if there is no issue with the updates, let's restart the smartphone to make sure that the changes are applied. Hold down the power button, select Restart and confirm. Okay, after the restart, we're gonna have to enter the pattern once. Then the important thing is to wait until everything is loaded on your smartphone. Now I can see that the Wi-Fi still hasn't established the connection. Okay, now everything should be working. Let's try to use our fingerprint. Lock your smartphone and test your fingerprint sensor. Okay, so it's working fine, but if in your case you're still having this issue, then go back to Settings, then go to Password and Security once again, and basically what we want to do is to trick the smartphone by enrolling the same fingerprint once again. So grab your microfiber cloth, wipe the surface or at least the bottom part of your screen, tap Add Fingerprint, tap Next, and now let's do the same thing the second time. Most probably our smartphone will complain about seeing this fingerprint before, but we don't have to worry about it. If we try hard enough, we'll be able to enroll missing parts of our fingertip this time. Okay, so half of the work is already done. Now let's add the edges. And I must say that even if your fingerprint is already working by now, this trick will increase the unlocking speed. So now once we have two fingerprints enrolled on our smartphone, if we try to unlock it, it will work seamlessly every time. So that's the quick solution to your issue. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.